The two remaining subjects' restraints were reinforced, and they were placed back in the chamber, awaiting determination as to what should be done with them. The researchers, facing the wrath of their military benefactors for having failed the stated goals of their project, considered euthanizing the surviving subjects. The commanding officer, a former KGB agent, instead saw potential and wanted to see what would happen if they were put back on the gas. The researchers strongly objected, but they were overruled. In preparation for being sealed in the chamber again, the subjects were connected to an EEG monitor and had their restraints padded for long-term confinement. To everyone's surprise, both subjects stopped struggling the moment it was let slip that they were going back on the gas. It was obvious that at this point that both of them were putting up a great struggle to stay awake. The subject who could still speak was humming loudly and continuously. The mute subject was straining his legs against the leather bonds with all his might, first left, then right, then left again for something to focus on. He held his head above his pillow and was blinking rapidly. The researchers observing the mute subject's brain waves via the EEG were surprised. The brain waves were normal most of the time, but would sometimes flatline inexplicably. It looked as if the subject was repeatedly suffering from brain death before returning to normal. As the researchers focused on the paper scrolling out of the brainwave monitor, only one nurse saw the mute subject's eyes slip shut at the same moment his head hit the pillow. His brainwaves immediately changed to that of a deep sleep, then flatlined for the last time as his heart simultaneously stopped.